Sabi dito, but encourage one another daily, as long as it is called today, so that none of you may be hardened by sin's deceitfulness. So, kung ngayon mo to narinig, kasi sabi nila, may isang pastor, sabi niya, pag once na nagkasala ka ng maliit, tapos nagkasala ka naman ng maliit, it means malaki na yon, 'di ba? So kung yung maliit na kasalanan, nakaya mo nga yung maliit na kasalanan, sa malaki pa kaya. So guys, you have to listen and obey and follow the path of the Lord. Ito guys, sinishare ko to, it's because Jesus love you.